That made me feel good.
That was awesome. It's not over. Whoa.
Cattle guard.
Oh, more pretty views. Look at that. Look at the pretty views out there.
Yeah.
Watch out for cows. It says.
Watch out for this curve.
And this curve. Yeah, you're right. The wildflowers are just pretty to look at.
Yeah, they are. It's like the little cherry on top. Meadow full of wildflowers. Woo! Man, I keep daydreaming. Looking at the flowers and whee, I'm having a good time. Oh, there's the curve. Look out.
Yeah, we don't want to mess that up. Watch where you're going around the curve. Twisties are fun, but it's messing up our scenic views. Scenic viewing.
Oh, I don't want to look more, just go slower. Oh, that's cool looking.
Oh, those are cool.
Oh, I love it. Rocks and flowers and wind and air and
rock structures.
Oh, here's another one of my corners.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow, there's the road. See that road over?
Yeah.
Across the canyon there.
There must be a curve up here somewhere. Oh, it's getting warmer again. We're going down low.
Still says 70 on the temperature gauge. 71 or something.
Man, it's so pretty.
It really is. Pretty amazing. Oh, pretty stream down there too.
I can't see it. Oh, there it is. I'm not going slow because of the corners. I'm just going slow because I'm soaking it all in.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, yeah.
See it now?
Yeah.
That stream.
That's cool.
I just want to walk down there and wade the stream. Take in nature. Wrong gear.
Huh?
I said wrong gear.
Alright, I guess I'll speed it up a little bit. Try to do the speed limit.
They use extreme caution because the road isn't very. Some parts of the road are cracked and falling through.
Yeah. There's another one on the right.
Okay, thanks.
I hate those cracks.
Me too.
The ones I hate the worst are the ones that are going right down the lane, where it could catch your tire and you're just having to ride it or whatever.
Yeah.
Right where you need to be at. Like if you're riding with a group. It's like, oh, I just want to get off the crack.
Yeah.
Well, that's a national recreation area right there.
I thought I saw wheel marks down there. Oh yeah, I'd camp here. This is nice. If there's a place to camp.
Yeah.
I see cow over there, I think.
Huh?
Cows.
Yeah, there's a ranch out here somewhere. I saw the ranch sign.
Don't fall off the cliff, babies. Baby cows.
Baby cows off the cliff.
They probably have a little fencing. You can't see it from here.